In this video, I'll show you how to convert a solid body into a sheet metal part in Autodesk Fusion in just a few minutes. Let's get started. This is the solid body we'll be converting into a sheet metal part. First, we need to prepare the part. Start by using the shell feature to offset the walls of the solid body and create a hollow cavity. For this example, I want the sheet metal thickness to be 5 millimeters. Next, we need to define the inside and outside bend radii. I'll set the inside radius to 5 millimeters. Keep in mind that the outside radius equals the inside radius plus the material thickness. So 5 plus 5 gives us an outside radius of 10 millimeters. Next, go to the Sheet Metal tab and select Convert to Sheet Metal. Select the body you want to convert. And now our solid body has been converted into a sheet metal part. The next step is to remove material across the bend area. The correct way to do this is to use the Unfold command and select a reference plane. Once you're in Unfold mode, create a sketch as you normally would. Then use Extrude Cut to remove the material. Once the cut is complete, click Refold to fold the part back into its original shape. And that's the proper way to make a cut across a bend in a sheet metal part. The final step is to create the flat pattern. Click Create Flat Pattern. Then select the stationary face to use as the reference face. That's it. The entire process is complete. If you want to view the part as a flat sheet, you can activate Flat Pattern from the design tree. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like or leave a comment. It really helps me know that you'd like to see more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.